Basically, I hear it every summer. Coach, nothing is working. Coach, the fly just sits there. Coach, I got the direction right and I still lost. And every summer I say the same old thing back. The market's not broken. The trade is not broken. But your trade is different than it was in June. And if you have not adjusted for that, you're trading a different position than you think you are. And that happens a lot. People will come into the service and they'll fall right into a good period, or I shouldn't say good, but an exciting period. Volatility is elevated. The risk is low. Gamma is low. It's easy to get into a trade. Lots of profit potential in those trades because options are stuffed with premium and they make big money and they hit a pin trade and they think that's what happens all the time. Then all of a sudden, the market starts going on a run and volatility drops, gets down into what we call zombie land. That's when the VIX is below 17 and everything changes and they're trying the same old trade. I said, no, this is what I've shown you. You look at our VIX playbook. It says when volatility gets down here, you make your strategies narrower, you trade more opportunistically, and all will be good. But they don't hear that. They just want to make the big money. They sit there waiting for a price to go inside their profit tent. They end up taking a loss when they could have taken a small win, and then that just deteriorates. And they're wondering, must be the market. It's not. It couldn't possibly be me. So today's topic is those caveats. We name the disease before we talk about the cure. And the disease, as I had mentioned, is low volatility, accelerates premium decay. What that means is that all your options that you are there on that 0 DTE day. See, the reason we play the 0 DTE day is because you have a lot of premium and it's going to decay and it's all going to go away. And if you're positioned correctly, you can be there to collect that premium. The other part of it is that because we also play direction and you put yourself in the path of a trend, you can also get intrinsic value too. But the intrinsic value stuff is a lower probability. The higher probability is the options play. And so, as I said, what happens in low volatility? Premium gets sucked out of options. And from a butterfly point of view or a spread point of view, that means that there's not going to be as much stuff, not as much premium potential or profit potential in your trades. You have to start really manipulating your strategies in order to just manufacture something to get. And then you realize, holy crap, I have to put on a lot more risk to get that premium. And you don't want to do that. So you need to adopt a different strategy. How do you adjust yourself to that different risk? Risk-adjusted returns. You've probably heard me say that a million times. Risk-adjusted returns. If you adjust your strategy to the appropriate risk or what the risk is, then you're going to get those consistent returns. You'll have the same kind of opportunity, but it also means that you have to change your attitude.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.